Okay, yes, we are back. I'm gonna work on this floor. I brought some subfloor. Sandra and Tim are in the side-by-side over there. They're going to get a jigsaw from Tim's house. She's gonna run him down to his little cabin. He lives down the road. So when they come back, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this 4x8 sheet right here that I'm standing on, and we're gonna slide it out to where that one is, and we're gonna notch it for these poles, and we're gonna put all three of these on the outside, and then we're gonna work this way, put one, you know, in the middle here and there, and then put a 4-foot piece on each end on the second one. And then when it gets to the third piece that we have to cut, I'm not for sure if I'm gonna put those down today. I mean, I don't need them down to do the rest of the work I'm gonna do while I'm here, but I'm gonna cut them because we're gonna take this wall out, so you know, I can work with that when I do that. Make it a lot easier with that wall not there. But I also brought some liquid nail that we're going to put below these boards, especially on this area right here where it's going to be more traffic. So when we knock this wall out, it'll be part of the living room, and then this end will be a bedroom. And I do have some stuff to put on there, but it's like caulk. It's not the, it was a lot more expensive for the liquid nail, but that's just going to be a spare bedroom, so it won't be bad. So anyway, I had that fan going because it's very hot, but I couldn't hear very good, so I turned it off. So we're going to turn the fan back on. They're going to go get the jigsaw. I'm going to be moving these, and then when Tim gets back, we're going to get to work on this. Okay, this is what's going on right now. Me and Tim got all these secured. I got down to my last screw over there a minute ago and my drill went dead. I had one screw left to put in and my drill went dead. So I charged it, I put it in. All these now are secured. They're done. Now what I have to do is this edge piece right here. That's all that's left. But I don't think I'm gonna do that yet because it's gonna be easier to do when I take this wall out to, you know, put it down then so I can see what I have to do inside also. So I may lay it over here, but it's not gonna be secured this weekend. So that's pretty much it on the floor. Very hot today. So Tim went home to cool off. I think he's gonna come back later and we'll just do some relaxing, do some visiting with him. So that's what's happening now.